My mom gave me all of these clothes that she didn't want anymore. And now I'm gonna try to rework them. What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Yes, y'all heard me right. My mom gave me this big basket of clothes. She said she had more for me, so I'm pretty curious to see how much more because this is a lot. Gave me a whole bunch of random clothes. She said, like, wait, give it to me. Let me rework it. Let me create something. So I'm gonna go through this pile and that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go through some of this. A lot of it's jeans. Like, look at all these jeans. I wanna go through some of it, look at some of it. Look, stuff got tags on it still. Hold up now. Anyways, a lot of jeans. I know I got a lot of things that I can do with jeans, so I am gonna go ahead and set these to the side. And I also got my old clothes in my garage. I have like, I think I have like 2 big totes of clothes in there. And I also got clothes underneath my table. Kind of just like folded up and put under here. So whatever, I'm gonna mainly try to use the clothes that she gave me, but also if I need to, I have some easy access to more patterns or fabric that's down there. So alright, I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot to choose from, a lot of fun patterns that I can't wait to work with. But I decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and go with the jeans today just to make it a little bit more simpler. If you guys want a specific series, if you guys want me to keep going with this, just kind of upcycling whatever my mom gives me, let me know down in the comment section. I would love to do that. But I want your guys' feedback before I do that for you guys. So we're gonna take these jeans and we're gonna actually make a shirt. So I got this button-up shirt. It's kind of like a cropped fit. I'm out of breath. I got this like cropped button-up shirt. I don't know why I feel like I had to throw it on so you guys can see it, but I love the fit of this on me. So I'm gonna try to recreate it using the jeans that we have. I'm also going to be sewing like probably like a quote on the back or something. That's kind of like what my vision is for this. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing that I'm gonna start off with is kind of cutting the jeans out and making like a flat fabric type thing. Like I'm gonna cut them all and then place them all together. So whatever, you guys are gonna see it. Let's just get it, let's go. All right, so we cut up only 2 pairs of pants. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need more, but if I do, plenty. I have 2 pairs of different pants or legs, 2 different colors. I think this is gonna be the back. So what I'm gonna do is actually sew these 2 together to make one big strip of fabric. So I got 2 sewn together. Now what I'm gonna do is lay this, I'm actually gonna move it to the floor. I'm gonna lay this flat on the floor and also take my shirt to the floor. I'm just gonna lay my shirt flat. On top, we are going to make the back panel of our shirt. So laying this flat. Folding in the sleeves. We just want the back panel for our outline only. Then we're just gonna go ahead and take our scissors and we're gonna cut around our image. Now we are gonna leave about a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Now we got the back of our shirt. Now we're gonna do the same exact thing for the front of our shirt. Sew 2 pant legs together. Since in the front that we are going to be doing a button up, we're going to unbutton these and do 1 panel on one cutout and then another panel on the other side of the cutout. All right, y'all, so we got basically all of our pieces. We got the back piece, the 2 front pieces, the sleeves, 2 sleeves, and then we also have the collar piece as well. So what we're going to do is actually take the back piece. We can set the collar and the sleeves aside. We're gonna take the 2 front pieces and the back piece, and we're gonna start sewing those together first. We have our back piece. We're gonna lay that flat, right side facing up. Then we're gonna take our 2 front pieces and line that right sides facing each other, line it up. You guys can pin if you need to, but then we're going to go ahead and sew the top sleeve, so the top of the shoulder, we're gonna sew together on both sides. All right, y'all, so we got the top shoulders completed. So if we turn it inside out, it should start looking more like a shirt or a poncho. Boom. What I'm going to do is we're going to attach the sleeves. So we're going to take our sleeve, we're going to take our poncho, lay that flat, and we're going to connect the corners that's on our poncho part with the corners that's on our sleeve part. So this corner should match up with this corner. There's a corner that should match up with this corner. And then you guys can barely see that. Actually, what we are going to do is flip these together. So right sides facing each other, and then we're gonna sew again that corner all the way up to the top of our shoulder. So this part here, all the way down to the other corner. Let's do it. All right, y'all, we ready? Let's throw it on. We got quote in the back, your opinion of me is not my responsibility, and isn't. Let's throw it on. This fit gonna go so hard, y'all. Here is the front. And then we got the back. What do you guys think of it? Tomorrow we're gonna put the fit on. You guys know the deal by now. We're gonna put the fit on and take some pictures, post them on my Instagram. So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. That's at cmac.31. It's also gonna be here right here on the screen. Let me know if you guys will like this series. Me upcycling and reworking some of the clothes that you know, is given to me, or my old clothes, or whatever the case may be. Just let me know if you guys want to see that. I'd be really happy to do that, but I again want your feedback on that. Again, make sure to drop that like, comment down below, make sure to share with your friends and your family, and as I always say, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.